Are you sure about that?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you different styles you can do with your headband wig. I made a video on how I installed this wig, and it was super easy and it's super curly and cute. So if you're interested, it's going to be in the description box, or you can go to my channel and see it. But description box is a direct link to the video. Check it out if you want to see it. But before we get into the video, I want to say thank you everybody who's been subscribing and liking and commenting on all of my videos. I'm really happy and thankful for all of that love that y'all give, because my channel wouldn't be able to be monetized or anything without your support. So, but you know, did y'all know my channel was monetized? But I'm monetized now, so I wouldn't be there without the support. So thank you so much. But yeah, don't forget, you can always comment down below and tell me any videos you would like me to do, or you know, things like that. I really want to be a channel who, like, people tell them, like, go buy this and stuff like that, and I review it. So if you want me to review anything or any ideas you want me to do, comment down below and I will try to do them. So now let's get into the video. So the items I'll be using throughout the video is this On Natural weave and wig conditioner detangler. I've been using it since I got this wig, and it's really been helping me maintain it and not make it frizzy or anything. And then you're going to need some water, and this is warm water in here. And I'm also using some mousse to bring back those curls. So the order of it is the water, the detangler, and then the mousse. So that's what I'm going to do before I do any style, because I don't want it to look rough. I kind of already did it a little bit before I came on here, but I just want to show you guys how I maintain it, just in case you was wondering. So let me do that really quick. Okay guys, so that was 5 styles I did with my headband wig. Comment down below which one was your favorite, and follow me on Instagram at adoremai_. If you do that, I'll follow you back. And also, like, you can oh my goodness, you can message me on Instagram if you need help with your YouTube, because I know it's a lot of people on here who are new and maybe they want to start YouTube, and if you need help with advice or what apps you can use, hit me up. And yeah, these are my favorite. Okay, like, for some reason, buns that can either be here or up here or even on top of my head, those just really are super cute to me, man. Like, even though they're kind of kiddish when they look like this, but man, for some reason they just have a special place in my heart. Okay. And it goes good with my face. Like, I have a circle head, so certain styles look weird on me, and buns just suit me all the time. So I love them. But I think I like number 2 as well. Yeah, I like number 2 because I like the whole curly thing, but the buns, yes. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps my channel out, and it really makes me happy when I see that people actually are liking and commenting. Like, please do. But yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.